Hi there. I wanted to give you a quick overview of how to use a pre-trained model for SnapML from Fritz AI. So here we are in the pre-trained area of the product, and I can click on any one of these cards for that type of model. So in this case, let's do image segmentation. From here, I can see the options that are available to me. So there are two models currently trained, one for face mask and one for hair. Let's download the Lens Studio project for face mask. By the way, if you already have a Lens Studio project and you just want the model, that's a download option as well. So let's select this one, and it's going to download the file as a zip to my computer, and then we'll pick it up once that's finished downloading. As soon as the archive's finished downloading, you can expand it, and you'll see a project structure that looks like this. You have your LS project file, you have various folders, including some preview images that we provide, and you have the public area, which is where the model would be stored under models. So let's go ahead and open up the LS project file, and that will bring us over here into Lens Studio. So as you can see, on the left side, we have an ML component, and that component's hooked up to the mass segmentation model. We have a preview pane here with a preview image that we provided, and there's other options if you want to play around. So you'll be able to use this for your project and start building on top of it. Thanks for checking out pre-trained models from Fritz AI for SnapML. If you have any more questions, you can check out the links for additional resources below. Thanks.